Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on raise to wake on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just tap on lock screen. Now just scroll down and tap on lift to check phone. Now from here, just make sure you enable lift to check phone. Now once you enable this option, your smartphone will turn on when you raise your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on raise to wake on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.